Today we will discuss on the topic reproductive system. Reproductive system, it is a complex network of the organ and the structure responsible for producing offspring, facilitated sexual reproduction and also regulating hormone functions. Gonads are the primary sex organ, testes in male and ovaries in female. Gonad produce gametes and secrete hormones. Male gamete produce sperm and female gamete produce ova, or it is also called as egg. Reproductive system, it varies significantly in male and female reproductive system. Both male and female reproductive system is composed of internal and external genital organ that play a critical role in the sexual reproduction. So firstly we talking about the male reproductive system. Male reproductive system is primarily function to produce a sperm and deliver it to be into the female reproductive system. In male reproductive system, external genital organ consists of penis, scrotum and urethra. So penis is an external genital organ composed of the shaft, glans and urethral opening used for the sexual intercourse and urination. Erectile tissue filled with the blood during arousal and enabling penetration. Then scrotum. Scrotum is the pouch of skin that hold the testes. It regulates the temperature, keeping the testes slightly cooler than the body temperature, which is essential for the sperm production. Then urethra. Urethra, it is a tube that runs from the penis. It carries urine from the bladder and semen during ejaculation. Then internal genital organ in male reproductive system consists of testes, epididymis, vas deferens, accessories organ. Accessory organ consists of seminal vesicles, prostate gland and bulbourethral gland. Testes are the two small oval-shaped organ located in the scrotum. They produce sperm and testosterone. These are the primary male hormones. Spermatogenesis occurs in the seminiferous tubule within the testes. In epididymis, it is a coiled tube that located behind each testis. After sperm production, sperm moves to the epididymis, a coiled tube, where they mature and are stored. This process takes about 2 to 3 weeks. Vas deferens, it is a muscular tube that extends from the epididymis to the ejaculatory duct, which transport sperm during ejaculation. Then accessory gland secretes 16% of the volume of the semen. Seminal vesicle glands located near the base of the bladder. It going to produce a seminal fluid. It consists of the prostaglandin. This gland produce a fluid rich in fructose, which provide energy for sperm and form a significant part of the semen. Next is the prostate gland. A gland located below the bladder produce a milky fluid that help to protect and energize sperm. Fluid is also contribute to the semen. In bulbourethral gland, it is also called as Cowper's gland. It is a two small gland located near the base of the penis. This small gland produce a ejaculatory fluid that lubricate the urethra and neutralize the acidity, preparing the urethra for the sperm passage. Now we are talking about the female reproductive system. Female reproductive system is designed for the production of ova, means egg, fertilization and developing of fetus. Female reproductive system is also divided into external genital organ and internal genital organ. External genital organ consists of vulva, which encompasses all external structures, which include labia majora, labia minora, clitorius and vaginal opening. Labia majora, it is the outer fold of the skin that protect the internal organ. Labia minora, it is the inner fold that are sensitive and contain numerous nerves ending. Clitoris is a small sensitive organ involved in the sexual arousal, which is nerve ending and the erectile tissue. Vaginal opening, it is the entry point to the vagina located beneath the labia minora. Internal genital organ of female reproductive system consists of ovaries, fallopian tube, uterus, cervix. Ovaries are two almond-shaped organs located on either side of the uterus. produce eggs and hormone like progesterone and estrogen. They release an egg during ovulation. Fallopian tubes, it is a two tubes extending from the ovaries to the uterus, with fimbria at the end. They are the site of the fertilization. Sperm meets the egg. Fimbria help to capture the egg after ovulation. Uterus, it is a muscular pear-shaped organ with the three layers: endometrium, myometrium and perimetrium. Endometrium are the inner lining that thickness during the menstrual cycle and sheds during the menstruation if no fertilization occur. Myometrium, it is a thick middle layer of the muscle that contract during childbirth. Then outer is the perimetrium that covers the uterus. In cervix, it is the lower part of the uterus that open into the vagina. Produce mucus that varies in consistency throughout the menstrual cycle, aiding or inhibiting sperm passage. In vagina, it is a muscular canal connecting external genital to the uterus. It serves as the birth canal and during delivery and accommodates the penis during intercourse. Now we are talking about hormonal regulation in reproductive system. Both reproductive system are regulated by the hormones produced by the hypothalamus, pituitary gland and the reproductive organ themselves. In male, the testosterone play a vital role in the development of the male characteristic and sperm production, and in female, estrogen and progesterone regulate the menstrual cycle, pregnancy and secondary sexual characteristics. So that's all about the reproductive system. Thank you.